keys, wait, peas, didn't really do it like us. Like, no, why you tryna move like us? Like, why? How many years I drop, man, I'm valid, man, I ain't gotta prove myself. I cannot speak on behalf of my friends, but I'm making a scene tonight. None of my brothers don't fall, it was always in the fall. We don't care about the budget, you love it, you want it, I'm making a call.
What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today it's just a raw vlog. I just pick up my camera and start vlogging because honestly I haven't been that active in the past, let's say 1 month, but 2026 is coming, a really big year. I'm really excited because a lot of things will happen, and definitely I want to push there on this channel content and document the full journey. I even thought like to literally post every single day vlogs, which I'll probably do, but if not, I'll post definitely like twice a week, so we can keep in touch with the progress. And yeah, so now let me show you. Now I'm exporting video for 6K client that I signed. You saw this vlog, check it out if you didn't watch it. It's a valuable vlog. However, now I'm exporting one of these videos, and yeah, today is Saturday, December 13. As you can see, yeah, we're slowly ending this year, huge year honestly, and I achieved really great things. Like this was the biggest year so far, so I believe 2026 will be even better. But like 2025, I remember when I was starting this year, I knew no one, so zero connections, zero experience, never signed client, even like 1K client I never signed, because in 2024, yes, I signed one fitness coach for like $500 a month dollars. I was so happy, I remember. But then I didn't sign client for like 6 months after she dropped me. Then my next client was pretty much in, let's say, February, March of 2025, Q1 of 2025. So I also went on a solo trip as a 17 in like Romania, met a lot of people, then a lot of connections, so 10 to 20 like really good connections I got from people who are making hundreds and hundreds of of thousands of dollars a month. I can't wait honestly for 2026 because we gotta crush it. And some of my goals for 2026 are to first build a brand, so reach, let's say, 5-10K followers on my IG. I can definitely do that for sure. Then also post there and document the full journey on my vlogging YouTube channel. Also, I wanna buy my mom car. Also this. I haven't done outreach for some time right now since I closed this client, so like 1 month I didn't do any outreach, which is a problem, and now I have to really like get back into it. This is a key lesson. I wanted to start like vlogging and, let's say, daily vlogs, and also like vlogs on my vlogging channel in 2026, and now is December 13, and I was like, why would I wait? This is the wrong mindset. You're all waiting for example, you want to hit the gym, and now you literally said like, oh, January 1st I'm going to hit the gym. No, fucking start now. The time doesn't exist. You just make it harder for yourself. Just start now. Who gives a fuck about the time? Just go now, start now, and forget this concept of, because 99% of broke people are literally like saying 2026 will be the best year of my life. This doesn't mean anything when they say it, because they're losers, and it will be just another year for them as broke losers who are not changing anything in their life. But when I say 2026 will be the best year, I literally mean it, and it will be. As 2025, I said the same thing for 2025. It was the best year, so we'll see. But yeah guys, so I prepped everything for my editor. As you can see, the video that I edited, I just did cuts, and now I wrote everything for my editor so he can edit the video. Obviously, you can see Andrew Longform 2 editing. As you can see, hook, then all the things that should be done. Then for body part, I literally like put minute, and this is one thing, you should be organized. I literally have like my JV Media panel where are testimonials, all stuff about agency. Then Johan's brand is all about my brand, like content, YouTube, Instagram, Then CRM, where all clients are, and each client have its own folder. Let me show you how, for some guy, I have like B-rolls, I put Instagram ads, YouTube, each client has its own folder. Even if I'm not editing by myself, there's not such thing as, passive income and stuff like that, because I have to be in control And I would argue that as an agency owner, you have to work the most. You have to, you know, go to sleep the last, because who else will care about you and your business? I mean, if you're not caring the most, your you know, team members won't either. So you must be always the guy who's working the hardest, the longest. You only think about that, you only think about work. That way you can inspire your team members. Bro, it's funny, I'm still going to high school. Like, look at this. I'm doing math, look at this. Functions and shit. So annoying, bro. But I need to get like 2 to pass the grade and then finish high school. I'm finishing like soon this year, but still I have to, you know, finish it. It's so annoying, man. $100 million offers by Alex Hormozi. Currently I'm reading this. Honestly, pretty easy book to understand, to read, and so valuable. Like this part right there, when he talks about, you know, creating special offer, special bundle, and differentiating yourself from competitors. And this is how you're able, there is literally like a real source how you're able to, you know, increase your price to even like 10k, 10, 20k, even like more. If you're working so hard and you're charging, let's say, just 100, 500, 1k dollars, and you see someone who literally like got paid like 20k, and he's doing like 20 times less work than you, the secret is in the offer. And for example, buying food, for how anyone can buy food fast, easy, and cheaply. And you can literally like pack one-on-one nutrition, a recoded grocery tour, grocery calculator. Each plan comes with its own list, yeah, grocery buddy system, pre-made Insta. You pack everything into one offer. Taking notes, learning, but like now content that I should do, you should always, as I talked about this like earlier in my past videos, you should always have purpose and some goal behind your content. So for example, for me, it's best thing to make content about YouTube because this is my service. However, now this isn't that, let's say, at the moment valuable, but I'm playing, you know, long term in the future to watch these videos and to have a leverage, because now I'm young and I'm documenting all this. So once I become successful, I will be able to take a look at these vlogs and be proud of my 17-year-old version. Finished gym session, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm preparing, going home. It was a good session, kickbox and gym, so let's go. So guys, so I'm going to end this vlog right there. I'm just going to upload it. You picked up something you probably saw my kickbox session, so I came back now, and now I'm going to do some work, probably read something, and yeah, we're slowly getting into this 2026 year. I'm going to end this vlog right there. I know it's probably a bit shorter vlog, but I'm just going to post it and move on to the next, because we just gotta take action, keep this momentum up, and post more content, do more things that we're now doing, because it will work in the future. I'm 100% sure. You just have to push in the work and results will come, because sometimes you just know that only thing you need, you already have like all the knowledge, just put in the work. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog, and see you in the next one. Now I'm straight diving into editing this content, so pretty much this is it. See you guys.